Oh, finally.
There we go.
Hook something. Oh, shit. He's running straight at me, dude. This thing feels nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. Get in here.
Oh, yeah.
He's trying to get tangled, dude. Get in here, buddy.
That's a good one.
Get in here, buddy. Hell yeah. On a white grub. See you, buddy.
One of these soggy strawberries out
That was funny. Got one. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, that thing went crazy. That thing popped it kind of close.
Dude, that was super close. This is a good one, too.
Nice, bro. We're about to get crossed.
Dude, that is
Mine's pretty nice, too.
back-to-back double-ups.
Seriously, bro, that's crazy. Yeah, get in here. Get in here, buddy. The bass are cool, bro. I don't care what anyone says.
Drummer. Cool, I don't care what anyone says.
I agree, bro.
Dude, look at this thing. It's just sitting here.
Dude, you honestly kind of looked at it a little. Did you see that?
I kind of looked at it.
You kind of veered towards it a little.
Dude, look at your fish.
Dude, what? Dude, that was so funny.
It's a jumper. Another big one.
Yeah. I'm trying to crack 18 inches. That is a big white bass, bro.
Dude, one of us has to get 18. I'd say that's a 16 and a half.
Yeah. Oh, that feels different.
Could be a drum.
Yeah, it's just a white bass. Dude, why did it like didn't glide or anything like they normally do? It just like started thrashing left and right. Like I thought I had like a largemouth on or something. That's so cool, dude. We're just fucking hammering them. That one was pretty close too.
My knot is still on here, but the lure's gone. That was a good one, too.
Got one. Dude, white bass fishing is fucking awesome. This thing feels good though.
Dude, how could you not like this?
They're awesome, bro.
They look cool, they get pretty big.
But like, what other panfish grows to 20 inches?
Yeah. In schools up in the springtime, they're getting everything.
It's a nice whitey. It's what, like 16 maybe? Maybe like 15 and a half or something.
Good.
Thanks.
I like to hit it when it sinks. Like that's something that I found out when I was fishing Detroit River last year. A cast without a fish? Come on.
Seriously. I mean, I got a bite.
That's true. Usually when I get a bite, I miss one, it's followed up by 3 other bites. I bet you those things. Oh. I bet you those things breed with white bass.
Yeah.
Make a little hybrid.
Dude, this thing feels nice.
Go, be free. No one touching you.
This feels bigger, dude.
Look at this.
Oh, it came off. Dude, yeah. What the
Dude.
Dude, it's still in the water.
Dude, what?
I just hooked another one.
Dude, I'm having a legendary battle with
Dude, it's belly up and he didn't even remove it from the water, bro. Its gills have never left the water.
Ooh, Nice one, dude. Nice one.
Oh!
Dude, now you just start acting up.
Nice, bro.
We both landed our fish at the same time. Like when you just smack it
Mine
down.
just like fell out. I didn't even have to do anything. I should take lure in the mouth picks. If it's 17, I'll take pictures. Dude, this place is crazy, dude. I just can't.
Crash, dude.
Dude, it came off and hammered again.
Dude, it came off again, or is it still on?
It's still on, I think. Well, no, I think it. Okay, now it actually popped off. Wait, what?
Dude, what the hell? Dude,
Dude.
it keeps getting off, and then another one.
Wait. Okay, now it's gone for good.
That was so good.
That was so stupid. I fought it in like 70% of the way. And I was getting hammered the whole way, dude.
I lost it 3 times.
That's how you know what's happening, dude. You hook one and then they're all following it
Yeah,
still.
no, that's absolutely.
Because they're all trying to get it out of its mouth. Hooked another one. Yeah, they're like kind of close, dude.
Yeah, no, they're close for sure. They're far out too, though. They're everywhere. It's a small one.
White bass grand slam. This one looks nice though. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dude, that's a 17.
Get in here.
Dude, that is a nice one.
Get in here, buddy.
Nice.
Yeah, that's my biggest one of the day, I
Dude,
think.
oh yeah.
That's sick, dude. Big old whitey. Biggest one of the day, 17 inches. See, buddy.
Dunk, dude.
Yeah, when it's so defined, because so many kinds of fishing, you have to like wait for like the tiniest of
Yeah.
tiny signs, but these just
That's how it can be with trout sometimes. Like, you'll just be like a little tap.
like that, dude. That was crazy. Got him.
He just came right back into it.
It's just coming right in, bro.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Dude, when they flash like that, they look 10 times bigger.
Dude, I know. I had one earlier that was so big. That's a good fish, though.
Yeah. Come on, man. Dude, that's a fucking good one.
Ooh.
Yeah, good one. Dude, I'm like trying to get a half a second to like rinse my reel off in the water and I'm getting bit. Yeah, dude. Like, come on. Let go, dude. A quarter of a second before my jig.
Yeah.
I like barely felt it and I would have like set the hook, but I just barely like tapped like that. Also pretty good. Holy shit. It's so hard because you'll have big ones come right in and then you'll have little ones peel drag and you like think the ones that are peeling drag are bigger, but it just
Oh, dude.
completely depends on how they fight.
That's a good one. Dude, nice.
I need an 18, buddy.
I don't think I'll do that for you, but it's a good one.
Get in here. Good one, dude. Nice. This one's pretty fucking fat to post.
That's a big fish. That's a big fish.
2.6. I just caught my PB white
Big
bass.
fish, look.
As of right now, this is my PB.
That one?
Yeah, it's 2.6.
Dude, nice.
See you, buddy. This is a good white bass, I think. It's hard to tell when they're far out, but it's holding pretty good. Usually I can just kind of rip them in.
Oh, Dude, good one.
Yeah. He's been taking me for a ride, dude. Thanks, guy. Get in here. Yeah, that's a big ol' whitey. Dude, I think this might be bigger than the one I just caught.
Dude, it might be.
Look how fucking big you are. Yeah, look.
Dude, please.
Dude, wait. Yeah, he's like 18, dude.
Dude, right at it, yeah.
Fuck yeah. 2.93.
2.93. Damn, dude.
Got my PB white bass right here. Sam's reeling one in. Look at that thing. Well, this guy was 18 inches, almost 3 pounds. See you, buddy. Dude, I think you're doing
Dude, it's crazy right now, dude.
This one doesn't feel big at all.
Oh, it's running. Both of our fish are like right next to each other. Oh, dude, that's a
Dude, yeah, both of these actually look pretty good.
That is a huge. Dude, we doubled up. What the hell?
Dude, that normally doesn't happen. Dude, that was...
How big was that?
That 1 inch difference, dude. Dude, that thing looks fucking nice. It's a big ass one, dude. Nice. Dude, how many 17 and a halves you've got? Or have you got? My white grub is so... Oh.
Dude.
Dude, it's crazy. Like, I was straight retrieving it and they didn't give a fuck, and then the second I bopped it, I got like 4 bites. Dude, this is fucking awesome. This one's actually kicking my ass. Yeah, that's a good one, I think. It's funny how they just get smaller as you fucking reel them in. See what? Oh, got him. I think mine's pretty small. It's coming in kind of easy. It's kind of peeling now, though. How many white bass do you think you'd have to hook before you hook a walleye?
Here, dude, I don't know. There's supposed to be a walleye here.
Like 300, do you think? Seems nice. Get the net, get the net.
What kind of fish that would be that? I think if I don't get a bite on the first, second, or third pop, I don't get one.
Unless they pop it really close. This is going crazy, bro.
Like a nice one. Dude, I literally, it was on as soon as I hit the water. Dude, that thing's big.
Yeah, that's a good one. Get in here, buddy. Get in there. Nice. It's a big, chunky one. Oh, you're big. 2.59. It's a good white bass, I think. It's a good one. Oh yeah, look at that. Get in here. I need to choke that thing. That's a good one. Look at that. That is what I'd call a donkey. Big one. .01 pounds. Just got my PB white bass again. He was just barely over 3 pounds and 18¼ inches. Beautiful fish. We're gonna toss him back. I want to fish as aggressive as possible. Let's see if I can get one. I actually did just hook one like that though. Barking like a f***ing dog at a tree.
You gotta do that from now on. Like keep a walkie by or two.
I'm gonna do this, dude. See how my lure's rigged? I'm gonna throw it like this and see if I can get one. You don't think I can do it?
It's a fighter. I didn't say I didn't think you could do it.
Oh, it's a fighter. It's a fighter. It's a fighter. Oh, it's a good fish. Good fish. Fighter. Good fish.
Look at it fighting, dude. It's a white perch.
Dude, I have one. Dude, dude. Dude. Oh my god.
These fish are highly intelligent.
Dude, it was literally like rigged like you'd rig like a live minnow. Look at how it ate, dude. The whole lure is out of its mouth. It's a good one too.
It's a good one. Look at it, got one. Big fish.
Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna prove white bass don't know shit. I'm gonna rig this on like a live crawler. If I catch a white bass, they're stupid.
There's these guys called Three Amigos. He works.
Got one. Dude, I have a fish on this stupid freaking white grub that's like not rigged properly.
Dude, they're apex predators.
Look at that lure in the mouth pick. This is what it bit, dude.
Bro, that's so stupid.
I'm gonna throw a plain jig head. This I have less confidence in, but if I get a fish, it'll be funny.
Dude, come on.
I'm trying, bro.
Dude, no way.
Dude.
Dude.
Yeah. Bro. I'm using a plain jig. I can at least understand the white grub because it's just color and they just eat it, but dude. Dude, we could have been rigging no soft plastics all day and been completely fine, bro.
I'm gonna try it right now.
Dude. It was so quick, dude. It was like, I felt a bite immediately. It feels good, too. Look at that.
There's no way.
Look at that, dude.
That's a big
No soft plastic, just the freaking jig head. And he crushed it right away.
one. So stupid, dude.
I need to name it like white bass tips and tricks for picky fish. And then like, it like cuts to me catching them on nothing.
Most unserious fish of all time.
We just doubled up on fish with no bait.
That is so retarded, dude.
Let's see if this works.
Yeah.
Dude, are you kidding me? I want mine to look absolutely ridiculous. Like, this looks f***ing stupid, dude.
Dude, you gotta go.
I'm getting bit on it. Dude, I just got smacked. He's on. My feet were stuck in the muck. He's on though. All for a grass bass. Yo, he's still on here. Dude, he's on the grass. You better stay on, dude. I just got wet. I went to like step back quickly and then I'm like, both of my feet were just stuck in the muck. Get in here, dude.
Only the highest. Dude, that's a good one too. What the hell?
Dude, did you see how much shit was rigged?
Dude, that is so stupid.
I want to catch my PB on grass, dude. Dude, the grass is still on there too. Look at the grass.
Dude.
It's still on there.
Dude, look at this.
The grass doubled up. He just hooked one on grass. I'm gonna see if I can get one on a leaf. Look at mine, dude. That doesn't look bad.
Yeah, it doesn't actually. That thing's gonna get crushed, dude.
This is probably how it was fishing like 200 years ago.
Yeah.
I'm getting nipped. Got one.
On the leaf?
Yeah, on the leaf.
Dude.
So fucking stupid, dude. Bait fish twig. Dude, that's a good one too.
Dude, it is.
Dude, he's on a leaf.
Hopefully your leaf stays on.
Dude, yeah. I can look like a fraud if it's not there. Oh, I don't think it is. Damn it. Invalid catch.